Alright, we're getting started with the day 8. So we're going to Sequoia National Park and Yosemite National Park. So that should be fun, and then we're gonna go towards home. Alright, it's time to start day 8.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex on down that check. No drip is wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up. Flex on down that check. No drip is wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'll make me gritty. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy.
Nice.
Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, dump down that check. No drip is wet, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, dump down that check. No drip is wet. Tell them
Oh
run
shit,
it
look
up.
at that mountain.
No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex on down that check. No drip is wet, tell them run it up. No sleep, no
Alright, we made it to the Sequoia Park.
rest.
This is the entrance.
wypadek. Ty poszłeś na drugi pas, a ja się człowieka zahaczyłem stopką i myślałem, że pierdolę, to podparłem się nogą i nogę mi pociągnęło pod motor. A pod palec wszystko tak mam przejechane. On poszedł na drugi pas, bo się nie wyłożył, a ja się wyłożyłem tak, że mi stopką przydarłem.
Wow. Alright, so I think finally we're gonna see some big trees. Wow. Alright, so we're still going through Sequoia Park, and it just gets worse and worse. The pavement is pretty terrible right now. A lot of potholes, a lot of gravel on the road, and there's not too many big trees. I think redwoods was way nicer. Yeah, but anyways, my rear tire is pretty much done. So I have to find a shop and get it replaced as soon as possible. So probably I'm gonna get separated from the group for a couple hours. That kind of sucks, but yeah, I gotta do it because we still got probably like 3,000 miles ahead of us. Okay, so we got a couple more miles and we're gonna take a left and go outside the park. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still a pretty awesome park, but I was hoping that there's gonna be like, you know, deep woods of those humongous trees. And now we got a little bit of off-roading. Why not? Who said you cannot ride Harley in the dirt? Damn, the way down is pretty fucking sick over here. Quick turns, but pretty sharp, some of them. Alright, so I just called a few shops about replacing the rear tire on my Harley. I was hoping that the Harley Davidson is going to be able to do that, but the guy told me they're booked until they're booked until July. So I called a few different shops and they said if I come right away they're going to do it. So I'm going. So I'm about 30 minutes away from the shop, so shouldn't be a problem. Hopefully they're going to do it real quick.